Welcome to Clinical Vista, your efficient and effortless practice management software. In this module, we will discuss the system's requirement for operating Clinical Vista and instruct you on how to install the software onto your desktop. Systems requirement. During the installation process, the software checks to make sure your system meets the minimum requirement. If your system does not meet the minimum requirement, the software will not be installed. It is very important that you're aware of these requirements prior to software installation. The processor must have processing speeds of 1 GHz or greater, minimum of 1 GB of RAM, and 250 MB free hard disk for custom installation. Also, the computer should have an operating system of Windows 7 or higher, and a screen resolution of 1280 by 720. Please note that while installing Clinical Vista Enterprise version, a Windows 7 SP1 or above is required. Installation process. Close all applications presently running on your system. Only one version of Clinical Vista can be installed on a system. In your browser, type Clinical Vista's website URL. That is, type http://www.clinicalvistaonline.com. You will be taken to the home page of the Clinical Vista website. In the main menu, click on Download. You can download the trial version of the software free of charge and get full access to all product functions and support for up to 20 patients. At the end of the trial period, you can upgrade to a commercial plan. Please note that if you decide not to purchase the software license, medical information recorded by you during the trial period will no longer be accessible. Please note your computer needs .NET Framework and SQL database files as the software supporting system files. If your computer doesn't have these supporting files, please download it from links provided. Download .NET Framework and SQL database files required to run the application. Click on the blue download button to access the software files. A pop-up confirming your choice will appear. Please proceed by clicking Save File. The .exe file for the software will begin downloading, indicating the file size and the time remaining. Please wait for the process to get completed, as this might take a few minutes. Once the .exe file is downloaded, you'll be taken to the install wizard for Clinical Vista. Continue by clicking Next. Please read the terms and conditions of use carefully and check the box if you accept them. Please note that the software would not allow you to proceed further unless you accept the terms of use. Click Next. The software will be saved automatically under Program Files in your C drive. You may choose to save the software at a destination of your choice. Continue by clicking Next. You can then choose to select the location where you would like to create a shortcut and also alter the privacy settings for the software. That is, whether you would want the software to be accessible only to you or to all users of the computer. Click Next. The install wizard is now ready to configure Clinical Vista onto your desktop. Click on Next to initiate configuration, or click back to change any previous settings, or click Cancel to exit. Please click on Next to proceed further. Installation of Clinical Vista would commence. This might take several minutes to complete. Once Clinical Vista is successfully installed, please click on Finish. You will be taken to the login page of the Clinical Vista application. For trial version, you would have to enter the following username and password, which will give you full privilege as an administrator. Once you purchase the software, you would receive your own custom username and password and can easily set different user levels like nurses, pharmacy, front office. Upon successful login with trial credentials, you will have complete access to all the functions such as appointment scheduling, adding patient information, pharmacy, lab, procedures, billing, and reports within Clinical Vista. You can exit the software at any time by clicking on Logout. If you should have any queries or issues with Clinical Vista, please contact the Clinical Vista support team at 91 471 406 2181 or 9192 4955 8800 between 9 am to 6 pm from Monday to Saturday, or mail us at clinicalvista@shrishtis.com. Thank you for choosing Clinical Vista, and we look forward to working with you to better manage your medical practice.